Hi everyone, on this occasion we are proudly presenting an exciting project, a complete line produced entirely by Mengibar. It includes Bottle Unscrambler, filling, Wick Assembly Inserting, capping, and a full management of packs.
Mengibar has successfully built a complete line for air fresheners, enhancing the manufacturing capabilities of a well-known US company. This includes not only the filler copper monoblock, but also various components such as container prefitting, wick assembly, cap delivery, packs, container depucking, and packs recirculation. Before the wick and wick holders are fed into the system, they are pre-assembled and integrated into the inline capping production process, ensuring a continuous workflow. Once again, Mengibar has demonstrated exceptional expertise by accomplishing another challenging project.